Hello and thank you for joining us for Lunchtime News on KBC Channel 1, and we're coming to live from the Broadcasting House in Kenya's capital, Nairobi. My name is Giverson Maina and our sign language interpreter is Caroline Njoroge. Join us for the next half an hour or so for news within, of course, across the country. And of course, start interacting with the social media platforms at KBC Channel 1. And of course, mine is at Giverson Maina. And so let's get started. Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi has dismissed claims by a section of opposition politicians that the government contravened the law in the partial divestiture of Safaricom shares. Now, Mbadi says the divestiture of 15% of Safaricom shares followed a determination by the Court of Appeal that okayed the process based on the overall value to the public. Accusing the opposition leaders of playing politics, Mbadi further noted that the injunction at the High Court did not necessarily stop the process, but rather questioned its legal parameters, which he observed were met by the government according to the Court of Appeal determination. Now, according to the Treasury CS, the government will receive an aggregate of over 240 billion Kenyan shillings from the divestiture, which he says will be used to fund key infrastructural projects in the country.
We have proceeded with the process within the confines of the law. That does not take away the matter that is still before the High Court. The matter that is before the High Court is substantive matter. It is not an order anymore. The order we dealt with at the Court of Appeal, and we succeeded in getting the order uplifted, and that is why we proceeded with the process of divestiture. You cannot be president of this country by distorting facts, misinforming people, and spreading propaganda, and just criticizing and questioning every issue that comes before the public. We don't have money to do major projects. We don't have money to do the KIA. We don't have money to expand some of our roads that needs expansion and which are commercially viable. We don't have money to do irrigation or get to irrigated agriculture. We don't have money for energy. I've told you. We have to be innovative and creative